Hello everyone, welcome back to Best 5-1. In this video we are going to check out the top 4 best Christmas wreaths. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 4, we have the Kinkade Victorian Christmas Village Wreath by the Hamilton Collection. When you need to place all of the feelings in the commonplace sites for the duration of Christmas, the Kinkade Victorian Christmas Village Wreath might be one of the excellent representations of it that you could locate on the market today. It is wreath absolutely adorned with a snowy Christmas village. The figurines are primarily based from the holiday paintings from the renowned artist, Kinkade. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on at number 3, we have the collection's ETC Winter Pine Christmas Wreath. It is a combination of traditional and white Christmas, and if you're up for this stunning mixture this Christmas, you'd sincerely love to place up this Winter Pine Christmas wreath to your door. The white and inexperienced garlands are decorated with crimson balls and berries, best for the colors of the season. The wreath measures a diameter of 18 inches that is suitable for common-sized doorways. It additionally comes with a hook at the back for brief and trouble-unfastened putting. Whether you put it outdoors or indoors alongside your Christmas decors, this may certainly go away your traffic and up. At number 2, we have the Valery Madelyn Pre-Lit 24 Elegant Champagne Gold Christmas Wreath with Wall Ornaments. One of the brand new releases on the market is the Valery Madelyn Champagne Gold Christmas Wreath that is decorated with Christmas balls and golden ribbons. The mixture of the adorns with the colors of champagne gold lends an expensive revamp on your door. It includes berries, balls, ribbons, eucalyptus leaves, and stainless peonies that everyone carry out a champagne gold accent. The embellishes are also decorated with glitters that provide often fashionable golden sheer, and to add glimmer and shine. The wreath additionally comes with 20 LED lighting fixtures which might be electricity efficient and shiny. And finally at number 1, we have the Marion Winterberry Wreath 24-inch, versatile Woodsy Winter Wreath. Getting through the subsequent wreath on our list, the Marion Winterberry Wreath. If you need to spruce up the doorstep or porch to mixture inside the excursion, this wreath is simply absolutely splendid. It isn't your regular greenery decoration with hundreds of ribbons, berries, or pine cones. It's all simply pink berries and a dash of greenery and twigs which can be intricately organized right into a seemingly stunning abstract. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this Christmas wreaths, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.